it is. So here's the car. It seems like they might have taken the bumper off before and repainted that, but the rest of it perfectly fine. Yep, the rest of it seems all original. Bins are in place, but why? They stole the freaking shift knob. By the way, this whole thing is clean right here. Really clean. And it smells good. But yes, they stole the shift knob, so we need a shift knob. It seems like this was the only seatbelt that didn't lock up. That one locked up and the rear one's locked up. So we're gonna need rear ones. We're gonna need airbags, that one and that one. And up here, have to be careful because I already chipped it here. But there's not much damage to it. These are intact, which are easy to remove either way. But all that is intact, original. All of this is here. All of the duct work. The bumper is missing. The fender is missing. That is gonna need a hood, headlight, and a fender. Hopefully, I could get somebody to match up the paint really nice, because, you know, since this is a pearl white. And this way it hit here too. But the rest of it, all this seems fine except for this, which I could probably bend back. And this part I could replace the whole little section right there, which is good. I will open the hood, but well, let me try to open it without damage. Okay. It's sturdy, but it's all there. It has the Megan Racing bar. It has RR catch can. It's not bad. The radiator don't seem broken, but we won't know. I will check that when I get it to crank, because the battery is dead. Yeah, I'm ready to get started on this project, to be honest. Bad part is that hinge is pushed. Well, the hood is bent, so probably the hinges too. But yeah, ready to get started on it. It's gonna need this part, this whole section right here. Hopefully not a radiator, but I already seen everything, the radiator and everything, which I think he got punctured. I'm not sure. I already seen the whole part right here for $600. So I can just slap it on. So yeah, it's coming together, I'll say. Engine looks really clean. Let's hope everything is good. They drove it off the tow truck. Oil seems low, but fine. Which, I know this engine's use oil, so I don't know how much oil they use, but we'll see. And it's starting to rain. So, let me hold it for over here. Oh, shit. It pinches a little bit here. Oh, yeah. This is it. I didn't record how I put it together, but here it is. It's a little dirt, but there it is. This thing, I don't know. It just pops. I might have to. I still gotta take the bumper off to replace one of the sensors for the how do you call that? For the airbags. But I don't know why this thing, it's not going on the clip. It's not going in there fully. I think the crash foam is just on the way. Yeah. everything is good. I'm just missing the seal, a little black rubber that goes under there. I gotta get that. And put the emblem on there. See? Just go ahead and put it on there. Finalize it. Because at the end of the day, I ended up not worrying about the tone of the paint. It's not that bad, so. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take the bumper off again. And I go ahead, I guess, and realign it or something. Cause I hate when this happens. I just gotta, cause you got the ducts. This one lined up really well, and this one didn't line up that well. And you can see right here. But you know, gotta tweak that. I'll do that whenever I take the bumper off to replace the crash sensor, because there is a fault with it, and it doesn't let my light cut off. And replace the airbags. This thing broke right here, so I'm gonna go take one from the junkyard and just replace this and put this ball back, clip back on there, put it together, and you know, we'll clean it up. All right, now as you can see, the airbag light's still on, but that's due to the sensor, according to it, failing to initialize. So yeah, here she is. I'm not in love with the headlights, but I don't hate them either. They're not the best looking headlights. The bumper, everything went in as it should. Like I said, the crash sensor on this side is the one that I need to replace, and it's right here, so gotta take the whole thing off. And that way I'll go ahead and fix this right here. Otherwise, it's gonna annoy the heck out of me. Yeah, it seems like it just didn't sit in there like it should. So we'll fix that. And that's it. Well, I'm gonna go test drive it right now. Let me open the hood. Show you guys. Get away. I have put the shocks on there. And I have to wash the hood because I left it on the grass. And then I gotta put the black panel thing on, plug up the hoses and everything. And then look, you see how he bubbled up? Yeah, we just gotta get that right. And if I can find the plastic for here, I'll get them too. But I found one car in the junkyard in ISF, and they wouldn't sell me the plastics. Don't ask me why. But it's just missing this number here. That's it. I'm gonna hate that. You can see the little gap where the rubber needs to go. And this is just annoying. Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I just don't want to clip in there. see. Nope. You just gotta fix that. Otherwise, this fender is original color. And the rest of it is new, as you can see. I will wash the car and hopefully it looks a little bit better, but I mean, it's not horribly off either. But we'll see. We will see. Then I gotta adjust the headlights. I don't know. Like I said, this aftermarket headlights, look at that crap. I don't like that. I don't like many things about them. They lift up right here, I mean. But that's the cheapest ones you can get. If you get original ones, they're like a couple thousand, I think. Other than that, it runs good. I mean, I took over a little bit earlier. But I got the airbags replaced and the seat belts and everything. Just needs a car wash, but it's hot as heck right now. And I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go to the gym, and I'll probably do it afterwards. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I'll take the bumper off. It's that little gap right there. That is just gonna annoy the heck out of me. That's it. It's looking good. I'll upload a video when I do the bumper off. I mean, basically that's where I left off. When I get the sensor in. There it goes, smooth. I love the dash. The gauge patch. Nice. So you can see the airbag lights still on. That sensor, but we'll take care of it when the sensor comes in. Then you have the bumper. Everything else works. So yeah, that's about it. It wasn't that much of a build, or it wasn't that hard at all, but it's just the prices are high on the parts on these cars, and they're hard to find because they got to be ISF parts. They cannot be IS300 or IS250 or anything like that. And that sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy driving this for a while. Maybe later post it up for sale after. But as of now, just driving it. AC works, everything.